Ready. So, good day everyone. So, for today's video, we're gonna perform the TP02. So, before that, we're just a follow up. We're very sorry that we only have two members to present right now, because one of our members or my classmate is had been dropped out of the school, and it's not the way that we don't want to continue, but we instead to um, do until even though we are only two. Okay, so before that, so I'm gonna share screen. So I'm gonna read those problem. Okay, so the problem is Caesar cipher is it is the one of the earliest known as a substitute cipher. It is a type of substitution cipher in which each letter in the plain text is shifted to a certain number of places down the alphabetical alphabet. For example, with a shift A of 1, A would be replaced by B. So it having if we call A, so we have replacement for the B, and B would become C. So there's a changes of they will become. So C and so on. This method is named after the Julius Caesar, who used to communicate with his generals. So we have a plain text and ciphertext. So before that, we're gonna demonstrate. We're gonna solve this problem. So wait. Okay, wait. I need to place this for a while. So we're gonna put the definition of the Caesar cipher and text shift. Because the problem is a shift, so there is a Caesar shift, and after that, I know wait shift shift and result um, space, and so we doesn't put anything here because as we put the result, so we gonna the input, so and then we gonna use for and character and text um text character and text for character and text, and if character is alpha, so and then shifted ord and character type display space and shifted, let's double check, shifted ord and character and shift, and after that we're gonna F of for we use is lower if we call the input that we want. So we have a upper and lower. So first we need to put the character of a lower. So if the F is character is low, is shifted, ano, shifted or plus is character is lower, lower. So we can put here if character is lower, and then the next is shifted is lower if shifted, um, if shifted ORD and C, and shifted 26. Why is it 26? It because in Apoblica is at 26, and next 26 is Z, F, F shifted is LF shifted Z is ORD 26 ORD and A, then shifted plus equal 26. And then we're gonna do um, the LF of upper, is uppercase. LF left shifted ORD, ano, 26, character is upper, is upper. And then the next is F shifted ORD of Z, the uppercase of C. So it will be repeatedly in the F, the upper and the lower. And the next one is shifted to 26. Shift ORD. Let's double check. Okay. Shifted minus equal 26. Then LF. So shifted um, ORD. And then again shifted. Oh no. Okay. Shifted is plus 26 A. So double check and shifted plus 26. And as a result the result is CHR shifted RD shifted. Okay. And else result char else return. Plain text. Enter the context. And then the amount. If we want what we want to put the amount, like how did if they jump on the next number or the next alphabetical. So the amount shift amount one encrypt text cipher cipher ship amount, then print print encrypted text. And then we're gonna try to double check. So because I have 10 minutes, so the we're gonna use the scissor and cipher text shift and result and for character and text. If character is apa shifted shifted and ord and plus shift. If shifted if shift if shifted if car is a lower, if shifted is ord and z shifted to ord and z and shifted 26. LF shifted as ord and a and shifted plus equals 26, and LF is character is upper is and then if character is shifted and ord and z shifted 26, okay, and LF shifted is ord and a and shifted plus and result is character shifted and else the result plus character and then return result is a plain text. Okay, plain text is input enter text and shift amount one, okay, and encrypted text and the Caesar cipher is a okay, plain text and shift amount and print encrypted text and encrypted text. Okay, we're gonna try to run this. Oh, okay, let's find out this upper. So the upper is unidentified, does not match the other end of level 11. I think I will try to the spacing. I think there's a spacing on it. So wait, if 4 is character shifted, LF is and then LF if shifted. So 26 LF. Think here. And then the results. And then the else. The result. Then the else is okay. So we're gonna try to the spacing because it's very sensitive. Okay, and okay, so right now it's okay. So we're gonna try to put the A. So B, so just for the next of A is B, right? So because the shift amount is 1.
So I'll be the next. So I am Nathaniel Tillor, performing the problem number 2. So first, let me share my screen, and let's see the problem number 2.
25 minutes done.
So let's try to read the problem number 2. Create a function named compute final grade that takes three arguments, which is attendance, quizzes, and task performance. Let's say the final grade is based on weights. So there's a given weights to every arguments. So first is the attendance. The attendance is 20%. Quizzes is 50%, and the task performance is 30%. So within the function, calculate the final grade using these weights and provided scores. Use a return statement to return the final grade. Additionally, include logic determine a pass or a fail remark. So this is the passing score. So 75. Print a message that display the final grade along with the corresponding pass or fail remark. So let's try to figure out the problem. So may I see first. Um, so first, let's declare a function which is a variable is given in a problem. So the variable is compute final grade. So compute final grade. And the three attributes, which is the attendance, quizzes, and task performance. So next is let's declare a weight, which is the weight
Yan.
is given in a
Yan.
problem. So
Isa.
let's try to declare it. First, let's create a variable name, which is the attendance weight. So we can easily figure
Teacher Chevy Baliw.
where what's the clearing. So to compute the um, weights, we need to convert it to a decimal number. So the decimal number of the 20% is 0.2. Next is the quiz weight. Quizz's weight is equal to 50%, which is 0.5. And then the task performance is 0.3 because it says 30%. So that's it. I already declared the weight. Next is to compute the value of the attendance, the three attributes, and the weights. So to compute, let's have a variable name, scores. So attendance score is equal to attendance 10 multiplied to attendance, sorry, attendance 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 weight. So it's calling the weight. So the variable name. Next is the quizzes score is equal to quizzes multiplied to quizzes weight. Next is the task performance. Score is equal to task performance multiplied to task weight. And I guess we're already declaring the total value of the attendance attributes. So next, let's declare the final grade. So let's create a variable name that says final grade is equal to, let's call out the attributes each scores. So attendance score plus quizzes score plus variable name task performance score. So we're already declaring the final grade. So let's return the result of final grade. So return result final grade. So according, I think we're already done declaring the attributes in the variable name. So next, According to the problem, additionally, include logic to pass to determine a pass or a fail remark. So, mag-a-add po tayo ng logic daw para malaman natin if pass pa or fail yung remark. So, let's create a conditional if else statement. So, if final grade, because this is our total grade, so final grade is greater or equal to passing score is 75. So 75. If final grade is greater than or equal to 75, the remark is equal to pass. Else remark is equal to fail. So we're already done declaring the conditional statement. So the next is to declare a value of every attribute. So first, let's have a value of the attendance. It's equal to 80, and then quizzes is equal to 90, and then task performance is equal to 80. So next, so we are done declaring a value of every attributes. So next, let's declare the function. So let's have our final grade as our variable name. Final grade is equal to the name of the function compute name. Compute final grade. The attributes attendance, quizzes, task performance. So we are done declaring the function. Next is the print to create an output of the problem. So the output is final grade. Yung variable name na final grade. So add lang natin dito. So let's review. According to the problem, so we need to create a function that named compute final grade. So let's see if we follow the instructions. So compute final grade, and three attributes: the attendance, quizzes, and task performance. So done. And the next is declaring a weights of every attendance or every arguments. So attendance weight is equal to 20%, so correct. Quizzes weight is equal to 50%, which is correct. And the task performance also 30%. And next is within the function, calculate the final grade using the three weights provided. So we did a calculation here. The variable name attendance score multiplied into attendance weight. So the attendance multiplied to attendance weight. And then quizzes is multiplied to quizzes weight. So task performance is multiplied to task performance weight. Every value of these attributes arguments is automatically multiplied by every weights. So we're done in calculating. So next, use a return statement to return a final grade. So we did here, we call the three scores, the three scores, and name it the final grade. So also we did a return result final grade. Next is additionally include logic to determine a pass or a fail remark. So we did a if else statement here, conditional statement. So saying the final grade is greater than or equal to 75. So this is the given passing grade rather. 75. If 75 higher or equal to, it says pass. And if 75 lower, automatically fail. So I think it's correct. So next is declaring a value. So print, we declared a value of every arguments. So not attendance is equal to 80, quizzes is equal to 90, and task performance is equal to 80. So we can also modify it if you want. So I already provided a value. So I think we're done on value. And then next is to print the final output. So let's try to run if it function well. So I think we have a problem, small problem here. So quizzes weight. So I think it misspelled, which is the quizzes weight. So here, so I think misspelled. So let's try to run it again if we have a problem. So here again we have a problem. I think misspelled again, which is the task performance weight. Task performance weight. So here we didn't include the weight. Sorry for that. See, this is our output. So final grade is equal to 85. So we didn't include the remark yet because I want to see if the final grade is true or tama ba siya. So let's add a print resulting the remark. So remark and then our variable name remark. So here remark. Let's call it. And then let's try to run it again. If it says pass or fail, if it's fail, the code is wrong. So we have a problem again in our conditional statement. High conditional here. So run. So I think it's working well. So the remark says pass. So according to the condition, if 75 is if greater or equal to 75 is pass. So this is greater than 75, so pass. So I think it's the let's try to make a fail result. So 60. So let's try to run it. So pass yung nakalagay. Let's try again to run it because I think delay yung resulting dito sa Python contributor. So this is it, the remark. So this is the final result, 60 to fail. So I think it's done.